In front of me I've got HTC Desire 628. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning let's enter Google Pay app and tap a blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Enter loyalty and select card you want to add. Now you can scan the card or enter details manually. Now, let's add gift card. It's simple and very similar to loyalty card because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. Last card you can add is public transport. If you are able to find your public transport, select it, you'll be redirected to website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.